Hi, welcome back to TELW, the English Workshop. My name is Manu. Today, we're going to discuss a very important topic. It's important because it's commonly used. People express their helpfulness and their politeness by making offers in English. And we're going to look at how to make offers, accept offers, decline offers, and make counter offers in this video. Are these chunks important? They are very important, not just important, extremely important. Let's start with how to make offers. If you find somebody who you think needs help, you can offer the person help. Now, suppose you find somebody sitting on the roadside with his head in his hands. You can ask him or her, "Can I help you with something?" Can I help you with something? Is a chunk. Can I help you in any way? I got a headache. Shall I get you some coffee? Can I get you some medicines? Would you like me to get you some medicines? Would you like to have some coffee? See, would you like me to take you to the hospital? These are for medical emergencies. In any situation, you can make offers. Some people are debating, would you like me to put in my 2-bit? That's an offer. I can give you some advice. You don't say advice, you say 2-bit. Now, do you think people will accept this offer? Anytime. They can even decline to accept your offer. Now let's look at how to accept an offer. Suppose you're going to an interview. You're sitting there in the lounge and the front desk employee asks you, "Would you like some coffee?" And you really would like some coffee then, because maybe you are thirsty, you want something, you want to pick me up. Then you can say, "Yes please, very much, thank you." Yes, please, I would like it very much. So, yes, please, very much, thank you. Or, if you wouldn't mind, in any situation. So, shall I get you the reference book? You want to check that out. If you wouldn't mind. That means, yes, if you wouldn't mind, could you please get it for me? Thank you. So, if you wouldn't mind, thank you. Always add thank you when you accept it, or reject, for that matter. Or you can also say, "Yes, please, that would be lovely. Yes, please, that would be great. Can I drop you home? Yes, please, that would be lovely. Yes, please, that would be nice. Would you like some fruit juice? Yes, please, I do. Thank you." Thank you means thank you for making that offer. Now, how do you reject an offer? All right, I'm saying reject. You actually decline. Reject is get out. So you don't reject. You decline an offer. How do you do that? Simple. Thank you, but I'll take care of that myself. Or no, thank you. Or no, thanks, I'm fine. No, thank you, I'm fine. It's no, thank you, I'm fine. So, no, thank you, I'm fine. Thank you because you offered me. And no, because I don't need that offer. But thank you, all the same. It's okay, I can manage. Thank you. Thank you every time. Thanks for the offer, but I'm fine. Now, remember one thing though. If you say, "Thanks, but no thanks," that's very rude. No, thanks, but no thanks. Thanks, but no thanks. It's like, it's a rejection. Get out. Now, how to make counter offers. There are different places where you make counter offers. Today I want to tell you about one instance when you are doing something together with somebody else. A very common instance could be when you are planning a vacation with your friend or your spouse or your family for that matter. So say you make an offer. Shall we go to Manali? then your spouse might say, okay. How about lay? I hear there's more snow there. So notice the way he said it. Means he's thinking. You don't have to say for that matter. You can think and say, okay. So all right, I'm not saying that you are rubbish. I'm accepting it. I'm respecting what you're saying. So okay. How about lay? So you're placing a counteroffer. How about something? Or what about? What about lay? Shall we go to the restaurant? Okay, how about doing a barbecue in the lawn? It's a nice idea. It's winter. Nice time for barbecue. How about? Now there are other situations where you would like to make these counteroffers in negotiations, for example, when you're negotiating a deal. We'll look at that in the next video. Maybe some other video, not in the next video. We'll see you then. I hope you will practice these chunks. In fact, what I would like you to do is practice these chunks as you listen to them, repeat, and then go outside and make the offers and note how they are accepted by the others and say, all right, I would say it like this because you heard it here. And if possible, engage with a friend, making offers, accepting it, declining it, or even making counter offers. Practice this regularly. Make these chunks your own. You will find yourself being more comfortable with the language, more fluent with the language, more confident with the language. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.